How to get closed Cash App account back. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you get back to your closed Cash App account. So let's get started. First, you have to open Cash App with your account. Alright, after you open Cash App, you'll get this type of interface. From your at the top right corner, you'll have to tap on your profile icon. And from the profile section, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and from here, tap on the option support. Alright, from the support section, you'll have to again scroll down at the bottom and tap on the option chat. Alright, after you tap on that option, you'll be able to make a simple request to Cash App support team. From here, you'll have to describe your problem like your account is closed and you want that account back on your Cash App. For that, you'll have to just mention this problem from here, and after you made a request, the Cash App support team will review your problem and from there, they might provide you some guidelines or procedure to get back to your Cash App account. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.